everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today while I was watching a video in YouTube, I found a secret feature. I don't know if it's a secret feature or what, but I thought that most of you may don't know about it. So I thought that I should show this new feature I just discovered. So let's go to the YouTube app, click on a video, and now our video starts playing. And as we know, when we click the video area, we can see the elapsed time of the video just like this, and here you can see this part. Here you can see the elapsed time of the video. So while I was watching a video on the YouTube, I found that if I tap this area, the timer, see the timer, it showed the remaining time of the video. I have never seen this feature in YouTube. I have never known about this, and I thought that maybe this is a hidden feature that YouTube has recently added. I don't know much about it, but this is something I didn't know before. So please do comment down below if you have known this before. So this is the video. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching.